Toyota Camry radar emblem installation, mainly for models produced from 2019 to 2021. Installation of Toyota radar emblem. The installation is divided into 4 steps. Step 1. Disassemble the sealing plastic baffle of the air conditioning intake pipe and remove 5 clips. Step 2. As shown in the figure, detach the guide tool and disassemble the sealing plastic baffle of the air conditioning intake pipe. Step 3. Loosen the fixing screws and fixing clips according to the arrow indication. Step 4. Use a tool to push out the radar emblem from the inside to the outside. Please leave a message. Detailed explanation contains the link address of the recommended radar emblem. If you feel there is any problem with the installation guide, please leave a message for me.